Alright, so this is going to be the first video in a video series I'm going to be making. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a task management application, or I should say in short, a task manager app. Okay, so I already have the front end built for me over here, as you can see, I already built for me. But what I'm going to be doing basically, I'm going to be building um the backend to make it a fully functional application. And just before I proceed, this is the fully working application. So basically, I can create any task I want here. Like, say for example, I want to walk the dog. So if I click on submit, it's going to appear below here. So it's going to say the one, and then so this is fully working, it's fully functional. And how this is working is that is actually interacting with the database. So this is not like a usual task management application, so whereby everything is just stored locally. But um this one is different. It's actually interacting with an external database, which is MongoDB. So, and in this application I have 5 routes that I'm going to be creating. So I have the get route, which is one that like make us see the interface, like to see the tasks that we have here. So, and I have the post route. As you can see in this code editor, text editor right here, I have the post um route. So that's going to allow us to like create what's going to create task or then push it to our database. So I can say, for example, again, brush my teeth. Okay, so yeah, so that is the post route that's working there. And also there's going to be the edit, there's going to be the update route. So in case I want to update any task I'm coming, I can just click on this icon, this edit icon right here, and then say for example, I'm coming. Let me go back. I think I'm moving. Okay, yeah. So say for example, I no longer want to walk the cat. I want to walk my rabbit, or I want to um take a shower. Okay, so take a shower. So I can just come here and and then I want to say that the task is no longer completed. Instead it is not completed. So I'll just click on this checkbox here, and then click on edit, and then I can now go back to the tasks. And then you see right here, I have take a shower instead of walk the cat. And the last route I'm going to be working on is, and before I even go on the last route, if you notice right, when I click on the edit button, I'm already seeing a single task. So the fourth route is the get a single task route, just like I have here. I'm coming to this like I have there. And then the last one is going to be the delete route. Yeah, so I'm able to delete a task that I've completed, or I no longer want to complete or something. So I can click on this trash what's the name, trash icon here, and then it's going to be deleted in the database. Okay, so that's just how our app is going to be working, and that's how it is working. So back to VS Code. So what I've done already is I have created a folder on my desktop. I named it Task Manager App, and for the file structure, I like to like create a number of folders I'm going to be working with in the project before I move on. So I created the controllers folder, the database folder, middleware, and the models and the routes, and then the public, which is serving our the front end, which is serving the front end. So this is my this app.js is the entry point for the application. So I imported Express there, and okay, I'll still come back to them this one comment. I imported Express in this place, and then the port I'm using is port 3000, and also I have app.use express.json. So basically to serve our JSON, um, JSON output. Okay, so that's a middleware. I'm still going to explain much in detail over the next videos, inshallah. And then this line app.user explorer blah 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 is the one that is serving the HTML, that is serving the front end of the app. Okay, so let me take this one and we'll come back to this. So basically, these are the routes that we're going to be working with. I just explained all the route, and these are the routes I'm going to be working with. App.get, app.get single task, app.post, patch to update our test and task, and then app.delete. That's all. And then this last line here is one of the like listening for the server. Listening for the server, and once it runs, it's going to console to the log server running on ports, blah blah blah, as you can see here. So that's just it for this intro video. And in the next video, we are going to like kickstart this project. So okay, one more thing before we move on. I'm going to be using a few packages. So I already installed those packages. So we are going to package.json. I can see them here. And the way to install all these packages, okay, the packages I'm going to be using are .env to like run our environment variables. Okay. And then Express, which is the library of Node.js, and then Mongoose, which is like object modeling framework of MongoDB. So to install all these things is very simple. So just going to be npm I then express.env mongoose. So just install them and then have them in your package.json, and that'll be all. And to also create to create these other things you're just going to type in npm init to create all those things, and then you fill in the details. I believe we know all those things. So that's all for this video. In the next video, I want to like kickstart the series fully, and then we get to work. Thank you for watching, and bye.